Hello gardeners, Jeremy here from Green Thumb Gardener. I'm here to give you some tips, tutorials, reviews for all your gardening needs. I'm actually down here at Lowe's, and I just wanted to give you guys a quick little tip that I found. I'm here just getting some supplies for getting my seeds started for the garden this year, and just wanted to show you a cool little thing that I found that I know that all the big box stores do, so it's something I always look for. And this is going to save you a little money, so you're going to want to watch this. Now you can see here, I'm just over here just looking for some fertilizer. I'm going to get some bone meal, and just to see what's out there. Well, just so you know that sometimes, and I see this all the time when I get supplies here, is sometimes the bags, what happens is they rip open or they drop out of the thing, or somebody cuts it or something like that. And what they'll do is they'll just put it in a bag and you'll get it for $1. And this stuff is normally like $8. I mean, it's a no-brainer. It's not completely full, but it seems like it's fairly the same weight, so maybe it's just missing a little bit out of it. Maybe it's got a cut and a little bit fell out or something. But for $1, I mean, that's quite a deal. So that's going right into the cart over here. Also, look at this. They also have to do some palm trees. I got some of this stuff right here too. But I'm telling you, I see this all the time. It happens. It's just one of those things. Maybe Walmart does it too, but I always see this in Lowe's and Home Depot. That sometimes the bags will rip open. Oh, here we go. There's another one too. Look at this. Little quick start action right here for Miracle-Gro if you're into that stuff. So just wanted to jump on and give you guys that quick little tip that if you're going out to the garden store and you're looking for things. Also, you can also ask too, like if you notice they have some of the potting mixes, and if some of them are like opened and you notice a little bit out, what I do is just grab a bag and then I tell them, I said, I found this, it was just open. And they usually give you like 10% off, or just ask or whatever, and they'll give you a little bit off if it's all possible. Oh, here's another one up here. This might be something I might want. Look at this. Oh yeah, this one's a good one. Organic natural plant food. Alright, look at that. So I don't know, just thought I'd help you guys out, save you a little bit of bucks if you want. As always, give us a green thumbs up if you do like any of this content. Also, please hit the subscribe button down below and let us know that if you want to get any videos just like this. And as always, thanks for watching. Have a great day.